Hey guys, it's Alexis and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the sleepaway camp accessories. I know when I was going to sleepaway camp, I literally would have killed for someone to make this video. I'm at Lester's and I'm going to show you everything important that you need to bring to camp. All of the essentials, all of the basics, everything. So basically when you go to camp, you're going to have day outfits and you're going to have night outfits. Day outfits are a lot more casual. Usually you're wearing like running shorts and a cute little top. Hardtail shorts are the best shorts to wear every single day because they're so comfortable and they can pair with so many things. Because when you're going to camp, you want clothes that pair easily together because you don't have that much space. Also, neon is so in right now. You guys have to wear neon. Usually during the day when I went to camp, I used to wear like sugar lips with hardtail shorts, or I would wear like band tees with hardtail shorts too. Those are such great finds. And for night, usually like a fun little tank top and jean shorts is always good to go. But you want to get sneakers and sandals as well. Let's go to the shoe section so I can show you some of the must-have shoes for summer. During the day at camp, you're going to want to wear a nice comfortable pair of sneakers, and you want to get ones that go with a lot of your clothes. So I really love these Nike ones, especially with like the little pop of color. You could do like a baby blue or a millennial pink. They're so fun, just like mix and match. A lot of camps have socials or banquets or just big gatherings where you can dress up. So it's important to have a nice shoe that you can dress it up with. If you want a little extra height, getting a nice wedge is always a great option. Or if you want it shorter but you still want to add that like fashionable, fancier element, a flat form. During the nights at camp, the outfits that you wear are usually a little bit fancier, so getting a little sandal is always such a great option. The bunk floors can be kind of dirty, so UGG slippers are definitely a must because you can just walk around the bunk in them. Next, we have bathing suits, and at my camp, I was only allowed to wear one pieces, but I know at a lot of camps you can wear bikinis too, so it's important to get your bathing suits to be original. You want like some plain black ones also, but bikinis are also really fun as well. Adding some prints, don't be afraid to do that because prints are so cool. Now we're moving on and I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite accessories to wear at camp. Some like hair ties and scrunchies and watches and bandanas. I'm going to show you it all in these next few clips. So sunglasses at camp is actually a must-have. When I went to camp, I wore sunglasses literally every single day. So it's really important to have a pair that goes with everything, like these Key Australia ones. How freaking cute are these? They're just like classic little aviators. Like have fun with it. Get ones that are like your camp color. So these ones are these like lucite ones. They also have like your camp name on them too. I'm obsessed. How cute. The days are really long at camp and you're outside, so that doesn't mean you have like a clock that you're able to look at all the time. So wearing a watch is definitely a really good thing to have because it lets you like keep track of time so you know like where you're at throughout the day. These chain necklaces are such cute necklaces to wear during camp. You are most likely not going to wear your hair down every single day because you're doing sports and activities, so you have to put it up. And the best way to do that is scrunchies, since they are one of the hottest things right now. These ones are neon, and neon is one of the coolest trends, and these ones are animal print, so many trends in one. Another one of the coolest items are these tele ties. They're brand new. They're like these no slip grip hair ties, and they also look like really cute as a bracelet on your wrist. And these ponytails, these grab and go ponies, you could just put them on your wrist. There's so many different colors. Right now we're on the right side of Lester's, which is literally the mecca of all things camp. There's so much bedding and accessories, so I'm gonna go and show you everything they have here and all the best options for the summer. When I walked in the store, I actually started freaking out when I saw this little mini husband pillow, and it's Gucci. Oh my god. Like, I actually knew this for my room at home, but this is so cute just to throw on your bed at camp to accessorize. Rugs are really important to have for putting next to your bed because, like I said, the floors of your bunk are not the cleanest, so when you step off your bed you want to like feel something nice and soft, but your rugs get really dirty, so be careful of that and choose one that isn't white, like a nice print like this cheetah. When you have your bed at camp, you really want to make it original and you want to dress it up, so just adding some like nice throw pillows or little husbands like I just showed you before really just add that extra spunk and put your own personal touch on your bed. So it's really important to get a bedding that you actually really like and get a little blanket to put at the end of your bed because sometimes it gets hot, so you don't want to use your comforter. And you're also going to need a storage place to hold all your underwear and socks. So we brought the little Gucci little hamper out again. Guys, so many Gucci accessories. Like, this is crazy. At camp, you know your clothes are going to get really dirty, so having a hamper is definitely a must. And even if you don't use your hamper during the summer, at the end of camp when you're packing up your trunks, it's really important to have a hamper because you need to have like a place for your dirty clothes. Why don't you follow me over into the little shower caddy area? Shower caddies are really important when you go to camp because a lot of camps don't even have showers inside the bunk and you have to use the shower house. So it needs to be portable, so you can just put all of your little soaps and stuff in here. And this one's really cute, like it has lips. You want your shower caddy to reflect your style, right? We are in my favorite section, the towel section. I used to be a competitive swimmer, so towels were always so important to me at camp, but there are so many fun colors, and you guys could just like hang out with your towels by the pool and sit on them and be all comfy, and you're gonna need pool towels and shower towels. If you go to camp, you're gonna need things because you don't have like your phone or TV to keep you busy, so games are really important. Jacks, such a classic, and also just classic playing cards. Play Spit or other fun games or like War, but these will keep you busy. If you have rest hour, getting games is always so much fun. So getting little games like What Do You Meme or Cards Against Humanity or like the cards and the jacks are just so much fun to have, and this game is hilarious. My sister and I are in the store right now. We're actually just playing around with all the toys, and this gumball thing is so fun. Like when you're at camp, you're gonna want like little things to keep you busy and like little games to play with your friends, and just like, oh my god, this is so fun. I'm obsessed with it. Also like different sort of slimes like this. Slime is like the hottest thing this year, so if you're able to bring it to camp, like how sick is that? When I was going to camp, I literally lived off of making string bracelets and friendship bracelets, so having a pre-made string box that literally has colors and everything organized is the best. If you get a little homesick or you want to write home and talk to your parents, you really want to have some cool stationery. Like these little unicorn ones are adorable, and you just want to have like cute little letters to write home to. If you're writing letters home and you're doing string bracelets and all of that stuff, you're gonna need something to actually write on when you're sitting in your crazy creek. So getting a little clipboard and you can put like all your little pens and stationery inside it is one of the best things to have for camp. So now I'm going to show you all of like the basic necessities that you actually need at camp to be able to survive, and that is a water bottle. You are going to be out in the sun all day, so you need to keep hydrated. That's really important. And also don't be afraid to hide some like Crystal Light in your bunk or something to flavor your water, so you can get some like lemonade or Snapple. Little fans are so good to have because like I said, it gets so hot at camp. So these like O2 cool ones. When you're at camp and you're sharing a bunk with like 12 other girls, it's gonna be really important that you keep clean. So getting some like lice spray and bug spray is really important because you don't want any bugs in your hair or on your skin. You're probably gonna bring some really nice stuff to camp that you don't just want to leave outside the bunk. So you're gonna need a lockbox. I used to carry like my iPod Nano in here and my headphones and all of my little jewelry that I brought to camp. So a lockbox is definitely something good to have if you just want to keep your stuff safe. Another really important thing to keep in your lockbox, if you want to hide some candy, this is the place to do it, because trust me, I've tried it, they don't find it in there. We're in the color war section. This is the best section of all of camp. It's funny because you bring so much color war, but you only end up using it for like 2 days. But when you go to Lester's and you see your color war section, get decked out. Don't be afraid to get like a bunch of white and blue or like red and white, whatever your colors are. Be spirited and have fun with it. So that is all of my camp essentials. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching this video. I hope I was helpful. I love you guys, and I'll see you back in my next video.